this lesson, we're going to learn the basic Linux commands. Before starting the commands, let us know necessary things. So, as you see here, Razahmadov is a username, at CentOS 8 is a hostname, tilde means user's home directory, and $sign means it's a standard or normal user. So let's check a real quick going to root user to see what happens. By the way, when we switch to another user without signing out the current user, we type sul minus. We'll use and talk about it in our upcoming lessons, so this time I just show you to make comparison. Let's type our password. As you see, turn to the hash sign when root user signed in. In here, $sign means standard or normal user has signed in the system. And in here, hash sign means system administrator or root user has signed in the system. So let's type exit to go back to a normal user. Logout status, so it means you have signed out with another user and went back to the previous one. If you want to clean the terminal, just type clear to start from the top. So let's start our basic Linux commands step by step. And first of all, we have to know what system commands does Linux have. There's a man means manual page we can use at the beginning of every Linux command to know further about those commands. So man page describes information about Linux commands. As an alternative to a man page, you can type command name and then -- help to go descriptions of a command. We may use man page and -- help command in all Linux shell commands to know about information and descriptions. For example, firstly, we'll practice on uname command, and uname command prints system information. Let us type man uname first to go additional page about uname. So here there are a bunch of information about uname. So we see here uname A, uname S, uname N, uname all, and so on. If you want to go back to terminal, just press Q button on your keyboard and you're on terminal. Like we said, let's type uname -- help to go the same page without switching to an extra page as a man page. So here is uname -- help prints description on the same page, but man uname going to another page. So let's go back to terminal and type uname. First, let's clear uname. So displayed operating system name, and actually uname S and uname -- displays the same information. Let us check it. Uname S, uname -- see, all of commands display the same result. This is a uname N command, which it prints network not hostname. Another command is uname R. It displays only version of kernel, but uname A and uname -- all prints all information including kernel version and others. So uname A, uname -- all. So here uname R displayed kernel version, and uname A and uname -- all displayed kernel version and other information about operating system. If you want to go back previous command, and if you don't want retype short or long Linux shell command, just press up and down arrow buttons on your keyboard. So when you press up arrow, it will take you to a previous command, and when you press down arrow, it will take you to a last command you have typed. Nothing else at the end. So this is the end of our lesson. See you in the next lesson. Bye.